Hello everyone, I'm Arshna Modi Singhania from Areen Listen to Your Heart Indore. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share a video tutorial of this beautiful quirky doorknob hanger, and I'm sure you're going to love the tutorial and you're going to try it for sure. Let me show you the material that I have used, all from the store. So I have used MDF base from the store, this animal print stencil, MDF door base, pendulum chalk paint from Areen, dark night color from Areen, willow wood, middy blue, monarch gold and metallic gold. Also I have used crackle medium and texture paste from the store. So let's get started with our tutorial. And before I start my tutorial, let me tell you, all these products by our brand are so cost effective and very good in quality. You should definitely try all these products and do share your reviews with us on FB and IG pages. Thank you so much. Let's start with the tutorial. So to start here, friends, I've taken my MDF base and I'm applying my pendulum chalk paint from the store. So you can see how smooth our chalk paints are, and these are single coat color. I'm not giving any base, any primer, any coat to my wooden base, and I'm just directly applying the color. I'm doing it here and there. I don't want a complete coverage, so I'm just applying the color to the few parts, and you can see how matte look I have got after the color is dry. And now here I'm using the crackle medium from Areen, and I'm giving a generous layer of crackle medium because I want the thicker cracks here. I want a bigger size cracks. So here I'm giving a good layer of crackle medium. After drying, I'm applying my willow wood color. So if you want bigger cracks, you have to give a thicker layer. If you want smaller cracks, you have to give thin layer. Also, when you're applying paint again on the crackle medium, make sure that you don't overdo it and you cover it in one go. Do not overdo it. Do not repeat the coloring. And you can see before drying itself, cracks have started appearing. So with our crackle medium, you will get really beautiful chirpy cracks out there. Just have a look at this. See how beautiful cracks we have got. And after drying, you can have a look here. Wow. So nice, clear and clean cracks. Now here again I'm using my same pendulum chalk paint and I'm just giving a bit of dry brushing. Just on the edges. I don't want to cover it completely, so very small part, very small quantity of color I have taken, and I'm just giving a bit of dry brushing with my pendulum chalk paint. For booking the DIY kits, you can connect with us in person. You can drop a comment. Now here again I'm using my dark night color, that is black color, and I'm just covering the edges of my doorknob hanger with a help of sponge. So when you use sponge for doing these edges, you will get a very nice distressed, burn wood kind of effect, and that is really nice vintage look. I really love that effect. So that is one thing I love doing, just covering the edges properly. And here I'm taking my monarch gold color and again I'm giving a bit of dry brushing. So our monarch gold color is again a very beautiful color. It is like a matte golden color. It doesn't have shimmer, but it gives a very nice subtle golden effect to any project you apply the color on. Now again I'm using the stencil from the store, and this is the animal print stencil. Also the texture paste is from the store. All the material that we are using are from our brand only. So you can see how smooth the texture paste is and what beautiful and clear crisp effect you get after using a texture paste. See, very nice and clean. We're just applying texture paste to few parts of the project. I'm quickly gonna cover it and you can see how beautiful effect we get, very smooth and clean. And after drying here, I'm using transfer sheets. Yes, you can get transfer me sheets also from our store. You can DM us For booking, you can connect with us on FB and IG. You can book individual products also. So you can connect with us through any platform. I'll share the link in the description. And here we go. Now I'm using MDF element from the store and I'm applying pendulum color. Just giving one layer of color and it is good enough. Just simply applying the color with a flat brush. Now again I'm using my stencil and I'm using my midi blue color here. So when you're using stencil for giving the colored effect, make sure you take a very little amount of color in your stencil brush. Do not overload your brush with the color, otherwise the color will flow through the stencil. So make sure you take a very small quantity of color. Now here again I'm using metallic gold color. You can see how beautiful and shimmer you will get with our metallic chalk paint. Now again I'm taking my black color and I'm just giving a bit of black shading, bit of black effect to my MDF element. And I'm using my pendulum chalk paint again for the base of my MDF element. Yes, this is 2-layered MDF base. So for the first layer I have used my pendulum chalk paint. Now I'm applying my crackle medium again here. And after drying again I'm applying my willow wood color that we have used for the base. Just giving one single coat. And you can see beautiful cracks after drying. Again with the help of black color, just covering the edges. So both the layers of the elements are ready and I'm going to stick them together. And you can see the beauty of it. Again adding a bit of metallic gold. And sticking our MDF element to the main base. And you can see our doorknob hanger is ready.